All right, so this video is on items. So you can, if you want to search for an item just means question or passage. Um, let's see if I put in mitosis. Right, so then there are questions about mitosis. Now, it could be an ELA question. It could be a math question. Um, it's just anything that has mitosis in it. Let's try a dog. All right, so that returns 3,000 questions. If I change the subject to, I don't know, English language arts, okay, the number of questions goes down. If I changed it to life and physical science, apparently there's a lot of questions in science regarding dogs. I don't know if that should concern me. I could also change it to, let's see, if I do math. All right, 269 questions. All right. And again, they just have the word dog in them. So you could also sort by grade level. You can sort by Webb's depth of knowledge or Bloom's taxonomy. Or the question language. If you didn't want, let's say we wanted Spanish questions. We had a Spanish speaking student. There are none. Of course, I don't know the Spanish word for dog. Hold on a second. All right, so, there we go. So now we have questions about dogs that are math, okay? Or involving dogs, not necessarily about dogs. All right, so that's finding a question or item. And you can also go to item banks. Again, you're probably going to be looking at SchoolNet or Certica unless you start making your own bank. Let's go. I'm going to go with SchoolNet because why not? And again, you're going to go through and you're going to pick your subject and wait for it to refresh, pick a topic, and then you can select your standards. So this is already filtered down to 10th grade ELA, and I can make it as specific, or I could include all of these things. And so it's found 18 items. Okay. And so, again, I would just click the ones that I want, and then over here, that's the add to the test button. Okay. Or we can create a question from scratch. And let's do one more step. So we get a question. We're going to add that to the test. All right. So I can select any test that I've made and add it to it. I could put in a test ID. That's weird. All right, so I add it to any of those. And I think, let's see, I don't want to do any of those. All right, so I could select that one. And I'm adding that question to that test. All right. and I would just have to finalize it. All right, so that is finding questions or items.